Western Oblast was an oblast of the Russian Soviet Federative Socialist Republic from 1929 to 1937. Its seat was in the city of Smolensk. The oblast was located in the west of European Russia, and its territory is currently divided between Bryansk, Kaluga, Pskov, Smolensk, and Tver Oblasts. By the 1937 All-Union Census, the population of the oblast was 4,693,495 persons. It was abolished on the 27th of September 1937. History. The oblast was established on the 1st of October 1929 by the All-Russian Central Executive Committee. The territory of the Krai was formed from Smolensk and Bryansk governorates, parts of Moscow, Kaluga, and Tver governorates, as well as Veliky Luki okrug of Leningrad Oblast. The oblast was subdivided into 8 administrative districts: Bryansk okrug, Klintsy okrug, Roslavl okrug, Rzhev okrug, Smolensk okrug, Sukhanichy okrug, Veliky Luki okrug, Vyazma okrug. Before the oblast was established, the constituent governorates used the old division inherited from the Russian Empire. On the 1st of October 1929, the division of the oblast into districts was established. The following districts have been established: in Bryansk okrug, Rasovsky, Bryansky, Dyatkovsky, Karachevsky, Kortinetsky, Kvostovichsky, Komariksky, Lyudnovsky, Navlinsky, Pasochensky, Sevsky, Shalikinsky, Suzemsky, Trubchevsky, Vyganichsky, Zhizadrinsky, Zhyutinsky, and Zhukovsky. In Klintsy okrug, Churovichsky, Gordoyevsky, Klimovsky, Klintsovsky, Krasnogorsky, Mgilinsky, Novozybkovsky, Pogarsky, Ponurovsky, Pochepsky, Starodubsky, Surajsky, and Arneksky. In Roslavl okrug, Dobrovsky, Koslaviksky, Kletnyansky, Mokrovsky, Pochinkovsky, Rondinsky, Roslavlsky, Shumijsky, Stodolashensky, Yakimovichsky, and Yushitsky. In Rzhev okrug, Belsky, Kamensky, Kamenovsky, Lukavnikovsky, Moloditsky, Nelodovsky, Oleninsky, Pogorelsky, Zhevsky, Selitrovsky, Staritsky, Stapurinsky, Sikyovsky, Vysikovsky, Yeltsovsky, and Zautsovsky. In Smolensk okrug, Batrinsky, Demidovsky, Dorigobushsky, Darkovshinsky, Glinkovsky, Grinuovsky, Kardimovsky, Kaspliansky, Katinsky, Krasninsky, Monastishchinsky, Bonizovsky, Prijistinsky, Rudnyansky, Safanovsky, Slobodskoy, Yartsevsky, and Yelninsky. In Sukhanichy okrug, Baryutinsky, Dumanichsky, Kozelsky, Mashchovsky, Mosolsky, Pavlanovsky, Plokinsky, Spazdemensky, Sukhanichsky, Vyeskodsky, and Yuknovsky. In Veliky Luki okrug, Bologovsky, Idritsky, Ilyinsky, Kumsky, Kunyinsky, Leninsky, Loknyansky, Nasavinsky, Nevelsky, Novosokolnichsky, Oktябrsky, Ostashkovsky, Penovsky, Porochevsky, Pastoshkinsky, Rykovsky, Sabezsky, Sovetsky, Toropetsky, Troitsky, Sivelsky, Osminsky, Ostolsky, Uzvyatsky, Velitsky, and Velikaluksky. In Vyazma okrug, Bukharinsky, Zhizhatsky, Izhkovsky, Iznoskovsky, Komzherkovsky, Medinsky, Novodjujinsky, Tyomkinsky, Uvarovsky, Voskresensky, Vyazemsky, and Znamensky. On 10 May 1930, Uvarovsky district was transferred to Moscow Oblast. On 12 May of the same year, Smolensk Okrug was renamed Yartsevo Okrug, and its seat was transferred to Yartsevo. On 1 August 1930, the okrugs were abolished, and the districts were subordinated directly to the oblast. Smolensk and Bryansk were made cities of the oblast's significance. On 20 September 1930, 12 districts were abolished: Bologovsky, Bonizovsky, Porochevsky, Rykovsky, Slobodskoy, Sovetsky, Stepurinsky, Sivelsky, Troitsky, Osminsky, Ostolsky, Vysykovsky districts. On 20 November of the same year, Griniwovsky, Kardimovsky, and Katinsky districts were abolished and merged into Smolensk district. On 10 February 1931, Vyskodski district was abolished. On 1 February 1932, 18 more districts were abolished: Batrinsky, Churovichsky, Idritsky, Iznoskovsky, Kaspliansky, Kotnetsky, Kunyinsky, Mokrovsky, Moloditsky, Nasvinsky, Pavlanovsky, Ponurovsky, Rondinsky, Voskresensky, Vyganichsky, Yeltsovsky, Yushichsky, and Zhyutinsky districts. On 30 January 1934, Pogorelsky, Prejestinsky, and Suzemsky districts were abolished. On 28 December of the same year, Plokinsky district was renamed Rumyanzyevsky. On 18 January 1935, a number of districts were established or re-established. These were Chertolinsky, Iznoskovsky, Kardimovsky, Kunyinsky, Penovsky, Pogorelsky, Bonizovsky, Prejestinsky, Rondinsky, Suzemsky, Tumanovsky, Voskresensky, Vyskodski, and Yushichsky districts. On 29 January 1935, the northern part of Western Oblast was transferred into a newly established Galina Oblast. It consisted of Chertolinsky, Kaminsky, Kumsky, Kunyinsky, Leninsky, Loknyansky, Lukownikovsky, Nelodovsky, Nevelsky, Novosokolnichsky, Oktябrsky, Oleninsky, Ostashkovsky, Penovsky, Pogorelsky, Pustoshkinsky, Zhevsky, Sabezsky, Selitrovsky, Staritsky, Toropetsky, Velikaluksky, and Zautsovsky districts. On 27 December 1935, Voskresensky district was renamed Andreyevsky district. On January 1936, Pasochensky district was renamed Kirovsky district. And on 5 March 1937, Bukharinsky district was renamed Dzerzhinsky district, following the arrest of Nikolai Bukharin, subsequently executed. In 1937, Rumyanzyevsky district was renamed Ulyanovsky, following the arrest of Ivan Rumyanzev, the first secretary of the Western Oblast Committee of the Bolshevik Party. On 27 September 1937, the All-Russian Central Executive Committee issues a decree which abolished Western Oblast. It was split between Oryol and Smolensk Oblasts. In particular, the following 29 districts: Brasovsky, Bryansky, Dubrovsky, Dyatkovsky, Gordoyevsky, Karachevsky, Kvostovichsky, Kletnyansky, Klimovsky, Klintsovsky, Komariksky, Krasnogorsky, Lyudnovsky, Mjilinsky, Navlinsky, Novozybkovsky, Pochepsky, Pogarsky, Rondinsky, Sevsky, Shalikinsky, Starodubsky, Suzemsky, Surajsky, Trubchevsky, Ulyanovsky, Uneksky, Zhizadrinsky, and Zhukovsky districts were transferred to Oryol Oblast. The remaining 49 districts were transferred to Smolensk Oblast. These were Andreyevsky, Bayutinsky, Batrinsky, Belsky, Demidovsky, Dorogobushsky, Darkovshinsky, Dumanichsky, Dzerzhinsky, Zhizhatsky, Glinkovsky, Ilyinsky, Izhkovsky, Iznoskovsky, Kardimovsky, Karmanovsky, Kaspliansky, Koslavoksky, Komzherkovsky, Kirovsky, Kozelsky, Krasnyansky, Medinsky, Mashchovsky, Monastishchinsky, Mosolsky, Novojujinsky, Bonizovsky, Pochinkovsky, Prichistinsky, Roslavelsky, Rudnyansky, Safanovsky, Chumychsky, Slobodskoy, Smolensky, Spazdemensky, Sukhanichsky, Stodolaszensky, Sikyovsky, Tyomkinsky, Tumanovsky, Yuzvyatsky, Velitsky, Vieskodsky, Vyazemsky, Yartsevsky, Yakimovichsky, Yelninsky, Yushichsky, Yuknovsky, and Znamensky districts. The most important authority in the oblast was the first secretary of the VKP Oblast Committee. The following persons were the first secretaries: Ivan Petrovich Rumyanzev, executed during the Great Purge; Demian Sergeyevich Korochenko, acting first secretary;